ఢిల్లీలో జరుగుతున్న రైసీనా డైలాగ్ 2026 సదస్సుకు సీఎం చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు హాజరయ్యారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
In terms of going overseas and building businesses and becoming professionals?
No, this is a matter of discussing continuously. Exactly 30 years back, around late 90s, I promoted IT. Then I used to explain to my people, this is the benefits. Then all our people completed their graduation in IT. Then they used to do job work. At that time, America data will come, we'll update, then it will go to America, then daytime it is available for ready reference and further working styles. Then I asked them at that time, you are working, it is only you are getting peanuts. You have to go for products. Today I'm very happy BSNL and also TCS and IIT Chennai and also one private company, they have brought 4G. That is the product. I'm very happy. I'm proud of it. For all these things, our Honorable Prime Minister is responsible. He gave encouragement for them. We have to go products now, make in India, made in India, skill India, so many programs he brought. Now I'm telling you, as on today in knowledge economy, especially technology, we are serving globally. Tomorrow all products are going to come from India. We are going to produce and also provide. Product perfection is going to come from India itself. Then you can see the change.
My second question would be, and this is the last question to you, sir. Andhra Pradesh and many parts of India are very good at filmmaking, culture, storytelling.
Not as filmmaking, creativity.
Creativity.
Very smart in creating.
Very smart and creative. Why is it that we don't have a global mobile game brand or the special effects, video games? Do you think that is the next frontier as we move to?
No, we are starting now Creative City itself. We are having in Amaravati 9 cities, Education City, Economic City, Justice City, and also Administrative City. One city is Creative City. I want to bring all creative people there. Technology-wise, if you see, in Andhra, I told you, now we are having Space City. We are as on today, our satellites are launching in Sriharikota. Next to that, we are having a Space City. All satellites are going to manufacture and launch from that place. We are having a drone city. Now we are seeing all wars, everything, civilian applications, drones are inevitable. Now we are having drone city in Kurnool. We are having one city, aerospace city. This is where we want to go for. India is a huge market for helicopters or flights, everything, jets, everything. And also electronic city. This is also very important. So I want to go for electronic city in a big way. And also medtech and wearables. Future is going to change on health. So everybody is having, no need to go to hospital as long as you take care of your health. Now we are seeing every day, I am also seeing Aura ring by seeing this morning. If my body is not recovered fully, I will take half an hour more rest. Even a ultra-human sensor, my glucose is rising, I will reduce my food. Or my glucose is less, I can have more. So that is the stage it is going to come. Preventive health is a reality. And also curative health, how to go cost effective. And also real-time monitoring of health wherever you are, you can do that. You can lift it. This year I'm planning drone taxi, ambulance, so that any patient I can bring from drone within no time, within 15 minutes or half an hour, from home to hospital or road accident to hospital. These are all the things are going to come. So personal medicine is not far away. All of us has to understand all these things are going to happen. So technology is available. Even quantum is going to, computing power is going to change. So many things are going to happen.
You know, I think, you know, if some of you are wondering why in India most Indians are optimistic about tomorrow because we have leaders like Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, please join me in applauding his wonderful intervention this afternoon. And sir, I wear a aura ring. I'm wearing an aura ring, and my aura ring is saying that I have to go to Amravati.
No, I'm very happy. All intellectual forum, excellent forum. Even our External Affairs Ministry is here. Honorable Minister is here. He is the best External Affairs Minister never we had in India.
Thank you.
From India.
Thank you, sir.
We are
Thank you
proud
so
of
much.
him. And also our Honorable Prime Minister, you are saying, you are giving good idea, he will adopt it, he will adopt immediately. That is how he is working. Now, future is for India. I don't have any doubt about it. All people are here. You give ideas, we will execute here. And then your country also can follow. Policy makers are there, you can do that. But it's where
Wonderful.
India is moving very fast. With this, I'm really thankful to you. And also good ideas, you send it to me also. I will execute immediately. Thank you, Anand.